Hi, Tim Biggam back again this week for Traders Exclusive, and we're looking at a market that is back right in the middle of that trading range. I hate to keep beating the same kind of dead horse, speaking of the horse I bet on in the Derby, which didn't come in, but we're right at about 209 on the SPYs. 211 is kind of that upside resistance, 207 support. We see the VIX, which at the beginning of the week had pierced below 13, usually a sell signal for stocks, worked again here as the market pulled back sharply. We're right around 15, so between that 13 support, 17 resistance, with the unemployment number coming out tomorrow, I expect very muted action today. We saw some big action though yesterday on the TLT, which is the 20-year basically Treasury Index that trades like a stock. We saw a big sell-off in that. We saw yields on the 10-year poking above 2.3%. So yields, which had been a nice tailwind back when they were down below 2, have become somewhat a headwind here for stocks. Certainly oil back up above 60. That kind of tax cut when it was down below 50 has been taken away. So I think the market's going to have trouble moving forward from here. I kind of like selling out of the money call spreads as a trade structure. I know I've been talking about that for a while, but boring works in this market. The nice thing about option trading in a sideways market, you can make money from nothing happening. One of the few instruments you can position as such. Also, as always, looking to use that RB Trader option scanning suite to identify some opportunistic trades, some unusual or big call volume. We've seen CXX again yesterday, about 15,000 June 36-38 call spreads trade. I'm positioning slightly long along with that order flow here. Stock came down sharply after Bill Ackman didn't talk about it at the Irish Tone Conference at the beginning of the week, but I think given the fact we've seen such big paper out there, I like to position guardedly bullish to kind of go along with that big order flow. Other than that, I think we'll see a light volume day. We'll see what the unemployment number brings, but I think until further notice, we're range bound and use rallies, to trim out of stock positions, use dips to, get back into stocks, more of a trader's market. So until next week, this is Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives. As always, keep those position sizes in place and those stops going. Take care.